Hey y'all, it's the Home Ec Lady. Today I want to talk about making new clothes from old clothes. I have these comfortable sports bras, but they're falling apart and I need to make some new ones. I'm going to use this bra as a pattern and I'm going to make a few alterations to it. So to make a pattern, I'll start by cutting the bra apart at the seams. Once I have the pieces cut apart, I'll use a razor to cut the elastic out of the bottom. Now I'll use a piece of scrap fabric to trace out the pieces of the bra that have been cut. One of the alterations I'd like to make to this bra is that it be a little bit longer in the torso. So I'm going to measure from the bottom about 1 inch and extend that pattern at the bottom. I'm also going to change the neckline from a rounded one to a V-neck. I'm going to repeat that process with the second piece of the bra and just trace it out. Now I'm going to go back into my pattern and add a 3/8 inch seam allowance around the outside. And before I cut these pattern pieces out of the scrap fabric, I'm going to measure to make sure that the front and back pieces are the same length at the seam. Now I can cut my pattern pieces out of fabric. And today I'm using a jersey knit that I found at the thrift store. It was $6. I got it on sale for half price. It was about 2.5 yards, so I can make a lot of things out of this piece of fabric once Jebby gets out of the way. I cut 2 of each pattern piece and I also cut a band for the bottom. I'm going to use that band instead of elastic. So I cut it 6 inches wide so that when I fold it in half, the band around the bottom of the bra will be 3 inches wide. For each pattern piece, I'm going to sew them right sides together at the neck and at the arms. Then I'll turn my pieces right side out and starch them within 1 inch of their life. When I'm working with jersey fabric, I use a lot of starch to keep the seams stable while I'm sewing. Then I'll sew the side seams. After that, I'll sew the straps together and put the band on. I made one and then adjusted the pattern for a more comfortable fit. Then I used this same pattern to create a tank top with a shelf support. I cut one bra out of jersey fabric, and then I cut the pattern again with a longer bottom on it to accommodate for the tank top. Now I'm ready for summer with a few new bras. I hope I've inspired you today. Like and subscribe for more home economics content.